Let's throw some water in this one, guys. This is probably going to be the best slab yet out of this Sassafras. Some fantastic stuff here today. And no water. There we go. Tell you, this Sassafras is blowing me away, guys. This is some nice stuff. We got our perfect crotch feeder coming at the middle. And we got some cathedral patterns coming in right here. Have another knot that came off right here in the middle. Got some end grain exposed, which gives it a little bit more character right there. Some nice stuff, guys. This is nice. This Sassafras here has turned out to be amazing. I can't believe the crotch figure that I'm finding in here. I did a lot of research on Sassafras before I sawed this one up, and I couldn't find any pictures with crotch figure that looked like this. And this is nice. Let's pull off those last two slabs and see how they look. Alright guys, it's about 12:30. I got that Sassafras finished up. Got 5 slabs out of it. Went rather well. I didn't mention earlier, but man, that stuff smells like root beer. I was trying to think of what it smelled like in the last videos. One of you guys pointed that out, and it sure does. It smells just like root beer. I don't like root beer, but I don't mind the smell of it though. It's kind of interesting. It has that scent. So now I'm going to run in the house, eat some lunch real fast, and get back out here to sawing. And this is what I've got lined up after lunch. Right over here, we got some pine. That first log right there in the front, that one right there, that's a white pine. And this one right here is a yellow pine. I'll be cutting that into 1x6s and 2x6s because I need to finish putting siding on the kiln over there. Before we saw up that pine, I got one more walnut I'm going to saw up. And it's another crotch log, and it's one I found yesterday when I was sorting the logs out. I spent just about the whole part of yesterday in my log yard sorting stuff out and trying to get used to that grapple. I should put that grapple on a long time ago. It made short work of that yesterday, guys. We'll grab some lunch, then get on the tractor, get some walnut up to the mill, then load up that pine and get back to sawing. A lot of hours left in the day. It's just 12:30, guys. We can get a lot done here. Stick with us.